My name is Marisa from Philippines. I am 32 years old, married, and blessed with one son. I work as domestic helper in Kuwait for 7 years with same employer. And while working, I also studying Bachelor of Arts major in Psychology. I am also a graduate of Information and Communication Technology. I am hardworking and have a great experience in taking care of children, providing love and care, guidance, and safety well-being. As a helper, I am patient, compassionate, honest, and understanding. I can assist children with all their needs, teach them with good manners and proper hygiene. I can assure to love and care your children as my own and handle any situations with maturity and thoughtfulness. I can also perform general housekeeping, cleaning, cooking, and washing. To my future employer, thank you so much for trusting and giving me a chance to work and learn more with you and be part of your wonderful family. Hope to see you soon and thank you.